Binswanger and the Brookshire Company are pleased to bring to market 161 Rock Church Road Southeast in Greenwood, South Carolina. This 243,350 square foot facility sits on approximately 19 acres with direct access to the 4-lane divided US Highway 221. This building is in a great location and is only 30 miles from I-26. Built in phases between 1987 and 1998, 161 Rock Church Road offers 6-inch reinforced concrete floors, primarily 60-foot wide columns with varying depths, and clear heights ranging from 21 feet to 35 feet in the main production area and 16 feet to 20 feet in the north section. With 2 7.5-ton cranes, significant power, compressed air lines, and other infrastructure improvements, this building will offer many manufacturers the ability to get operational quickly. 7 dock-eye doors and 4 large drive-ins surround the property, giving flexibility to access points for your loading requirements. Greenwood, South Carolina is projecting a 14.2% population growth by 2030 and has been named the best small-town manufacturing workforce in South Carolina, with 26% of their workforce in manufacturing. With the building opportunity 161 Rock Church Road provides and the growing labor force, we are confident this property will provide both the physical asset and the employee pool your company needs to succeed. For more information, please reach out to Binswanger or the Brookshire Company.